Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a spa and wellness website using Shopify. First, we're going to be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to click here on the product section and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start uploading our services. For example, I'm going to start with my sauna session and now I'm going to copy the title, and here on generate text we're going to paste our title and we're going to click on generate so that Shopify generates a description for us using its built-in AI. Here we can choose to generate the description again, or we can just click on keep so that our description is going to be pasted right over here. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to select an image for our product. Here on the right, we're going to have product type, vendor, collections. Here on collections, make sure to add your the product to your home page. For product type, for example, we are going to put service, and for tags, we are going to put spa. For the pricing, right over here, we're going to charge, let's say, 25,000 pesos for the experience, and our cost per item is going to be around 10,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 15,000 pesos profit at a 60% margin. For inventory, we are just not going to uncheck it because we are not going to keep track of inventory. And here we can also assign weight in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. For me, since we're not going to do any kind of shipping, I'm just going to skip it. And once we are done, we are going to click over here on save. And as you can see, our first product would be uploaded. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products of my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So once we are done uploading all of our products, what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our online store and we are going to start customizing it. First, we're going to be able to change the theme. As you can see right over here, Shopify is going to give us a lot of free themes to use, but if we want to see more of them, we can go over here to visit theme store, and this is going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store. Here we're going to be able to see a lot of different themes. Some may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize, and we are going to start customizing all of these sections for our website. So over here you can see that we have our sections. If you click on them, they are going to be outlined by a blue line, and over here on the top left, the name of the section is going to appear. On the right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize it. For example, this is our image banner. So first, we are going to change the image. We're going to click on select, we're going to click on add images, and here we're going to select a new image to be displayed on our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the image right over here has now changed. Next, we are going to change over here our heading. For example, we're going to put welcome to my spa and wellness website. Whoops, I missed an N over here. As you can see right over here, the text has now changed. Now, let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. We're going to go over here to add a section, and we're going to choose one of the options. For example, we have featured collection, featured product, collection list. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and over here we're going to click on our new section, and on the top right we're going to select a product to be displayed. For example, I'm going to select my sauna session over here, and as you can see, the product is now being displayed over here in this new section. Let's say that we want to change things up a bit. For example, we're going to change the color scheme to a darker one. As you can see here, the background of my section has now changed to a nice dark theme. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to choose a featured collection, and we want to delete this new section. What we're going to do is we're going to click on it, and once it is selected, we're going to go over here on the bottom right, and we're going to choose the remove section button. As you can see, once we pressed it, the section is going to be removed. Other things that we can do, for example, is we can add new sections to our footer. We have an email sign up over here, also a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Here we can add a custom liquid and a announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is this thing right here. This is going to display our store's name. So if we want to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes up until now. We're going to exit and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store again, and here we're going to be able to change the name of our website. For example, I'm going to put spa and wellness, and in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store. We're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see right over here, the name of our store on the header has now changed. If we want, we can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we wanted. And once we are done, we're going to go back over here and we're going to go over the analytics and marketing section. Now guys, this is going to be a very important section for us. We are going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different information which is going to be really helpful for us in order to manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here we're going to click on add discount and we're going to choose an amount of products. Here we're going to be able to choose which kind of code we're going to use for our discount. For example, we can put spa 101, or we can just click here on generate random code, so that Shopify gives us a random code for our discount. Next, we're going to choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage amount of discount, and we're going to choose a 10% discount. Here, we're going to be able to choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. We're going to click on browse and we're going to choose our homepage collection. So now our discount would work only for the products on our homepage. If we keep going down, you can see that we can further customize our discount. For example, we can choose if we need any kind of minimum purchase to be able to use our discount, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, and also the combinations that we can use for our discount. Finally, if we click here on set end date, we are going to be able to put an expiration date to our discount. Let's say that we choose the 23, and once we are done customizing, we are going to click here on save discount, and we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.